Most American drivers believe that automatic Japanese cars are bulletproof. Just put it in drive and forget everything. But here is the truth most mechanics won't tell you. Even the most reliable brands like Toyota, Honda, and Nissan can fail early if you make a few silent but deadly mistakes. In fact, transmission failure is still one of the top 3 most expensive repairs globally, and studies from automotive service networks show that nearly 75% of these failures are caused by driving habits rather than manufacturing defects. So in today's video, you're going to discover the 11 most dangerous mistakes you should never do in your Japanese automatic car if you want it to last 300,000 to 500,000 miles without a rebuild. Let's start with one of the most common but destructive habits. Mistake number 11. Shifting from reverse to drive without fully stopping. This is one of the most dangerous habits for an automatic transmission, yet countless drivers do it daily while parking or making quick turns. Many people shift from reverse to drive before the vehicle comes to a complete stop because they want to save a second or two. But inside the transmission, this creates massive stress on the planetary gears, clutch packs, and torque converter. Imagine forcing 2 giant metal components to suddenly spin in the opposite direction while they are still moving. That shock travels through the entire drivetrain. According to transmission repair data, this habit alone can reduce gearbox life by up to 30% over time. In some Japanese vehicles, repeated abuse can cause harsh shifting, delayed gear engagement, or even complete transmission failure. Transmission replacements can easily cost between $3,000 and $8,000 depending on the car. Professional drivers always allow the car to stop completely before shifting between reverse and drive because they know smooth transitions are the secret to long transmission life. Mistake number 10. Putting the car in park before applying the handbrake. Most drivers think putting the car into park is enough to hold the vehicle. But that's actually a huge mistake, especially on hills. When you shift into park, a small metal component called the parking pawl locks the transmission. That tiny part was never designed to hold the full weight of your Japanese car on a slope. If you don't use the parking brake first, all the vehicle's weight rests on that little mechanism. Over time, this can damage the transmission lock system and make shifting out of park difficult. You may have noticed some cars make a loud clunk when shifting from park on a hill. That's drivetrain tension caused by poor parking habits. Professional drivers always stop the car, apply the handbrake firmly, release the brake pedal slightly so the car's weight settles onto the parking brake, and only then shift into park. This simple method dramatically reduces stress on the transmission and keeps the parking system healthy for years. Now let's talk about a mistake that most people don't even realize. Mistake number 9. Resting your hand on the gear selector. This is something almost nobody talks about, but it is more harmful than you think. Many drivers casually rest their hand on the gear lever while driving. What they don't realize is that this applies constant pressure on the shift linkage and selector fork. Over time, this can cause premature wear, misalignment, or even delayed gear engagement. Automotive engineers estimate that continuous minor pressure on the shift linkage and selector fork can accelerate wear in linkage components by 15 to 20%. Japanese cars are built with precision and lightweight control systems, and they are not designed to handle unnecessary force. This habit may not cause immediate failure, but it slowly degrades the smoothness of your transmission. Professional drivers avoid this completely and keep both hands on the steering wheel. It's not just about safety, it's about mechanical sympathy. Mistake number 8. Creeping constantly in traffic jams. Japanese automatic cars naturally creep forward when you release the brake, and many drivers abuse this feature during heavy traffic. Instead of maintaining a proper gap and moving smoothly, they continuously inch forward every few seconds. This may seem harmless, but it generates excessive heat inside the torque converter and transmission fluid. And heat is the #1 killer of automatic transmissions. Transmission fluid works best within a controlled temperature range, but every small movement under load increases thermal stress. Studies show that transmission fluid life can be cut in half for roughly every 20-degree Fahrenheit increase above normal operating temperature. In crowded city traffic, constant creeping can raise transmission temperatures dramatically, especially during hot summer weather. Professional taxi drivers often avoid unnecessary movement in traffic because smoother driving reduces wear, fuel consumption, and heat buildup. Some transmission specialists say stop-and-go city driving is far more damaging than long highway driving, even if the total mileage is lower. Mistake number 7. Skipping transmission fluid changes. One of the biggest myths in the automotive world is lifetime transmission fluid. In reality, heat and friction break down fluid over time, reducing its ability to lubricate and cool. Studies show that transmission fluid can lose up to 40% of its effectiveness after 60,000 miles. Once degraded, it can't properly lubricate or cool internal parts. In Japan, drivers typically change transmission fluid between 40,000 to 60,000 miles, which is one reason their cars last so long. Dirty fluid leads to overheating, clutch wear, and internal damage. In fact, overheating is responsible for nearly 90% of automatic transmission failures. Despite this, many drivers never change their fluid until problems appear, which is already too late. Clean fluid is the lifeblood of your transmission. Regular maintenance can easily double its lifespan. If you want your car to reach 300,000 or even 500,000 miles, this is non-negotiable. Mistake number 6. Shifting to neutral at every traffic light. This is one of the biggest myths in the driving world. Many drivers believe that shifting to neutral at red lights reduces stress on the transmission and improves fuel economy. But modern automatic cars, especially from Toyota, Honda, and Nissan, are specifically engineered to remain in drive while idling. When you constantly switch between drive and neutral, you are actually increasing internal wear. Every shift engages and disengages clutch packs and solenoids, and studies suggest this can increase wear cycles by over 30% in heavy traffic conditions. On top of that, it disrupts hydraulic pressure inside the transmission, which is essential for smooth operation. Over time, this can lead to delayed engagement, jerking, or valve body issues. Here is the shocking truth. Repairing clutch packs and solenoids can cost you anywhere from $800 to $2,500. And here is another fact. The fuel savings from shifting to neutral are almost negligible in modern cars, often less than 1 to 2% difference. So, you are risking thousands in repairs to save almost nothing. The correct method is simple. Keep the car in drive, hold the brake, and let the transmission operate as designed. Mistake number 5. Revving the engine before shifting. This is one of the most destructive habits you can have in an automatic car. Some drivers press the accelerator in neutral to raise the RPM, then suddenly shift into drive for a quick launch. It might feel powerful for a second, but internally, it's a disaster. When you do this, the engine is spinning freely at high RPM, and the moment you engage drive, all that energy is violently transferred into the transmission system. The torque converter, clutch packs, and internal gears absorb this impact instantly. Experts say this can increase internal stress by over 200% compared to normal driving conditions. Even a few attempts can cause internal cracks, clutch glazing, or immediate failure. In extreme cases, it can destroy your transmission instantly. Japanese transmissions are engineered for smooth, controlled power delivery, not sudden impact loading. This habit is often seen in inexperienced drivers trying to get quick acceleration. But in reality, it's one of the fastest ways to kill your gearbox. Mistake number 4. Ignoring low gear modes on slopes, L or B mode. This is one of the most underused features in Japanese automatic cars, yet it plays a huge role in protecting both your transmission and braking system. Modes like L or B, especially common in hybrids from Toyota, are designed for engine braking, particularly when driving downhill. But most drivers completely ignore them and rely only on the brake pedal. Here is the problem. Constant braking on slopes generates extreme heat. Studies show that brake efficiency can drop by up to 50% during prolonged downhill driving due to overheating. This not only wears out your brake pads faster, but also increases the risk of brake fade, which can be dangerous. At the same time, your transmission is forced to manage speed without proper gear control, increasing internal stress. Using L or B mode allows the engine to naturally slow the car down, reducing brake usage and stabilizing transmission load. In mountainous regions like Japan, this is standard driving practice, which is one reason their cars last so long. Ignoring this feature can lead to brake replacements costing $300 to $800, and long-term transmission strain that could result in repairs costing thousands. Mistake number 3. Ignoring early warning signs from the transmission. Most automatic transmissions don't fail overnight. They usually give warning signs weeks or months before complete failure happens. The problem is that many drivers ignore those warnings until repair costs become catastrophic. Delayed shifting, hard gear engagement, whining sounds, slipping gears, fluid leaks, or burning smells are all major red flags. According to repair industry data, early diagnosis can reduce repair costs dramatically because minor problems are easier to fix before internal damage spreads. For example, a small transmission fluid leak repaired early may cost a few $100s, but ignoring it could eventually destroy clutch packs and internal bearings. Some drivers continue driving aggressively even after warning lights appear, which only accelerates the damage. Japanese drivers always pay attention to every unusual sound or behavior because transmissions rarely heal themselves. Catching a problem early can mean the difference between a simple repair and a complete transmission replacement worth thousands. Mistake number 2. Towing heavy loads without proper mode or cooling. Japanese cars are reliable, but not all of them are designed for heavy towing, especially smaller sedans and hybrids. Automatic transmissions generate huge amounts of heat when towing trailers, boats, or heavy cargo. Every extra pound increases strain on clutch packs and transmission fluid. Many SUVs and pickup owners assume their vehicle can tow safely just because the manufacturer lists a towing capacity. But towing capacity alone doesn't guarantee long-term transmission health. Heat buildup becomes especially dangerous during uphill driving, hot weather, or stop-and-go traffic. Studies show that towing without proper setup can increase transmission temperature by up to 50%. Excessive heat breaks down fluid quickly and damages internal components. Some heavy-duty towing setups include auxiliary transmission coolers specifically to control heat. Professional towing drivers use lower gears, avoid sudden acceleration, and monitor temperatures carefully because transmission heat is one of the biggest enemies of reliability. Mistake number 1. Ignoring software updates and ECU learning. Modern Japanese automatic cars from Toyota, Honda, and Nissan are no longer just mechanical machines. They are highly software-controlled systems. Your transmission behavior is managed by an ECU that constantly learns your driving habits. Over time, this adaptive learning can become unbalanced, especially if driving conditions change or the battery is disconnected. This can cause delayed shifting, jerks, or rough gear engagement, and many drivers immediately assume the transmission is failing. But here's the truth. In many cases, it's just a calibration issue. Dealership data suggests that a simple ECU reset or software update can resolve up 70% of shift-related complaints without any mechanical repair. Ignoring this can lead you down a costly path of unnecessary repairs, sometimes costing $500 to $2,000 for issues that could have been fixed with a simple reset. Manufacturers also release periodic software updates to improve shift logic, fuel efficiency, and transmission protection. If you skip these updates, your car may not perform as intended. This is why dealerships often reset ECU learning before selling used cars. It makes the car feel smoother instantly. The bottom line is, your Japanese automatic cars are built to last, but only if you respect the engineering behind them. Avoid these mistakes, follow smart driving habits, and your car won't just last longer. It could easily go beyond 300,000 or even 500,000 miles without major repairs. And if you want to learn more hidden secrets that mechanics don't usually share, make sure to subscribe, because the next video might save you from a $5,000 mistake.